Hey guys, Richard Simpson here. In this video, we're going to be talking about and drawing the male profile, or at least how I simplify the profile to make it easier for myself. Here's a little tutorial page I did for my Facebook, Richard Simpson's Art, a while back. And it's really the first time I've ever made an art tutorial, I think. On the screen, I'm going to be showing a breakdown of the steps. So feel free to pause and follow at home at your own speed. But I'll be showing a few real-time examples after that of me practicing these steps of how I draw the male profile. It's always good to start sketchy and loose. Don't worry about the details yet. It's more important to get the main shapes and forms down first. If you can't already tell, I'm drawing pretty quick. This video isn't sped up. I'm just trying to get the point across and without worrying about making a finished piece, because that's not what's important right now. I draw the guidelines as well. A guide, but feel free to experiment and move these lines around to see what different shapes you come up with. These help with coming up with all kinds of characters on your own. Oh, and as you can see, I'm trying something a little new here. I drew this little chibi cartoon caricature thing on myself in the corner. I've seen a few other art YouTubers doing this, and I thought it looked cute and fun, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Not gonna lie though, I am a little worried some people might take offense, like I'm copying their thing or something. So let me know what you think in the comments, if you like it, if you think it's cheesy, whatever. Here, like in my other videos, I'm lowering the opacity of the sketch lines to add some quick line work on a new layer. You can still do this traditionally, just lightly erase your construction lines that you did in pencil, then ink on top with a marker, pen, or brush to refine your lines later. Here I'm repeating the process, but with a much more muscular and stylized character, just to show you can utilize these steps to create all kinds of characters with just a little bit of practice. So I'll put on some music until this sketch is done. Don't worry, I'll be back right after this. here's a finished piece. Let me know what you guys think of the video and if it helped at all. I really hope it did. Also, let me know if there's any other topics or subjects you'd like me to tackle in an art tutorial in the future. I really hope this was informative and helped you guys out. Also, if you like what you see here, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you get notified for any videos I post in the future. Oh, if you want to see more content, consider following my other social media accounts. Or you could also contribute to my Patreon to get a behind-the-scenes look at my comic I'm working on called Clown. It's create your own thing that I'm working all by myself. I'm writing, drawing, inking, everything. Links in the description below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.